see the run with your bitch. Butterfly doors on the bench. Running through bands, I'm rich. Everything president tense.
Yo, what is up, guys? Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. If you guys are new here, I'm Adrian. I make videos on my 2018 Mustang GT and my 2008 BMW 335i. So for today's video, we're gonna be headed out to LA. There's gonna be a car meet hosted by Russ. I don't know, maybe some of you guys know of him. He makes videos on his Camaro ZL1, and I think he had a Mustang on there as well, a 10-speed. But yeah, he's hosting a meet. It looked like it's gonna be pretty lit. There's a bunch of people saying that we're gonna go. So yeah, I'm gonna go out there, get some content for you guys. Hopefully, you know, the meet gets pretty lit. But yeah, so I'll pick up the camera as soon as I get to the spot, because it is a little bit of a drive for me, but we should be there like that for you guys. So we just pulled up here to the spot. Got a couple Camaros, a Stang right here, Kona Blue, and a Scat. Still waiting on everybody else to show up. Got the Stang right here. Yeah, I'll pick up the camera as soon as more cars start to roll up. This thing is hard. Looks sick with that hood. I haven't seen him before with a hood like that. It's clean. Got another one right here. He said fuck the crowds. Yeah, this thing's lit. Bunch of cars showed up. It's crazy. Yeah. Oh, that's a sick color. They have it for the Mustangs too. It's similar. I really like the tail lights, the clear tail lights in that. Looks like he didn't finish wrapping it on top. It's gonna be a cool color though once it's done. A ton of people came out. Look at that. Tire stickers, clean. Been wanting to get some for the E90. Once I get new wheels, I think they look clean. Ooh, this Camaro is sick. Those wheels. See, the front end of all these cars need a lip like that. That looks so hard. The front end, the stock front end without the lip looks kind of weird, but that, look at that. Ooh, that angle, so hard. Another white 5.0. That lip just makes a huge difference. Yeah. Oh, this is the one I was telling you about. This is nice. It's a sick color. I think it's ruby red. It's hard. It's a nice color too. I like that diffuser. Probably fast.
What up, Russ? What up, bro? Good to meet you. What up? Hell yeah, dude.
The Mustang's right there with the car.
Right there. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, bro. Good to see you. Got to check out the Camaro right now.
Get some runs too. And how long are you staying out here?
For a while, bro. So
fucking
yeah. How long you guys gonna be here for?
I finally just now got here. You said what?
How long are you gonna be out here for?
I don't even know. Honestly, I don't even know what we're doing after, bro.
For sure.
We're definitely getting some rolls, but I don't know how long. I didn't even know this many people was gonna show up.
Yeah, I know.
So now I gotta think about where we gonna go get rolls at.
Yeah,
so,
that's true.
It's a lot of shit I gotta do now.
Honestly, well, yeah, if you find a spot, okay, I'll be around.
Yeah, no, for sure, bro. You can definitely roll me, bro.
Check out the cars. Good to see you, bro. Yeah, that was the homie Russ. He hosted the meet. Let's go check out his CL1. That looks sick. The lights there. I haven't seen that before. That's sick.
Y'all got that shit over there? See, bro.
That looks nice too. Some demon type shit. Damn, looks so bad. It looks sick as fuck, huh? That's hard. Damn. I just noticed the gorilla on there. It's fucking bad. Damn, I need me a drag pack on a Stang. Ooh, carbon hood. What do you guys think? Do I need that for the Stang? That's hard. It's like the GT500 one. I think after the clutch, that might be the move. Some more carbon up front. Looks sick. There's a lot of people out here. I think they're gonna go get some rolls. Be sick. See who I could gap out here, or who gaps me.
video. If you guys enjoyed that, make sure you guys like, subscribe, share with your friends, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.